What I would like to do is take this spring, this clamp spring. It's like a spring, like a clip. And I don't know how to get it off, but I would like to get it off to see the contacts inside. Because the end of these wires go onto terminals, and then it is somehow attached or soldered or whatever to where the light bulb goes into. So I want to try and raise that without breaking it or having it fly away. It does. It'll rotate. So it's not that tight. Sorry. I raised it. This is where you don't want to drive the screwdriver blade into your finger. There, it's off. Oh wow, and I didn't break it. I'm so happy. You gals and guys know how happy I am. Okay, that's on there. But that should be able to separate except for that is rotating. But can I get it off? Do I need to get it off? Let me get my really little screwdriver. Oh by golly, it is loosening. It has loosened. I don't know how to get that off. I think taking the bulb off and then yank it. Good, it's oily under there. And now we're going to open up the light. Ho, ho, ho. That is cool, man. You know what? I gotta tell you, when I get these brilliant ideas like this, it's like, oh man, I hope I don't break anything or lose anything. and I haven't so far. So let's get a good shot of that. Wow, that is so cool. So cool. See one of the wires, the one terminal is there and the one terminal is there. And that is the switch. And when that thing rotates, it does that. And that's how it's turned on and off. And that's falling out. I don't want it to fall out yet. I want it to stay in. I want to look at it a little more. Let's bring it out. There. Wow. So that's how that goes. I was going to put this as an add-on to the throat plate positioning bracket movie, the video that I'm about to start, and I was going to make this an extra, but I'm just going to throw this up there as a single video about that. That is really cool. So I hope you folks stay safe and have fun with your machines and your sewing and your crafts and everything else that you're into. And I look forward to making another video real soon. And I'm learning a lot here, you know. And if this is your first time here, there's like 338 videos here. And if you go right back to the beginning, you can see them slowly get better a little bit after a dozen or so videos. But I'm kidding around, folks. But I wanted to say, ciao for now. Have fun. Stay safe. Please do subscribe. I appreciate your help and your support, especially if it's your first time here. And my return viewers and subscribers, you're you're golden to me and and the sewing machines, which are the channel really. I just turn the lights out and sweep the floor. Adios, amigos.